the Eau Clare. And you can see there are people swimming everywhere. Definitely looks like a fun little kayak run. But I saw people swimming in this one. This looks like you can get through here. No, this looks cool. Making his run. Lost the helmet on the back of his kayak and drops over backwards. Wow. And he's carpet. Still carpet. New by Andy. Andy's one of the best open canoers you're going to find. Woo! Made that look. We got carnage here now. Upside down. Oh, over the sideways. Whoa! Ouch! Woo! That is the swing. An experienced paddler who's run this a couple times. And she did a nice correction. And nice! That's about where I ran it. Right. One of the best paddlers around. Doesn't even look perturbed. Going right for the rooster tail. Sweet! Woo! Very nice. Very nice.